Dance now. So guys, how are ya all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. If you're just joining me just for the first time, my name is Sewe Tamara Kura, a Boko girl from Benue, married to an Ijaw man from Bayelsa. Yes, that's me. So guys, let's talk. So here in Portharcourt, guys, it's been raining since when? Like before I came to Portharcourt, they told me in Portharcourt there's one period it rains for like a whole week, like a whole 7 days. That is it. Guy, stop it. Stop. We'll soon go home. Stop. So it rains for like 7 days. So the rain just started though. This is the 3rd day and it's been raining back to back. Oh, so that is it too. Like it's still raining right now. You can see it's raining. So we went out, me and my 2 kids. The other one went out with the daddy. We just shared it, but I did the most. I carried 2 and he took just 1 out. So we are, he's really worrying me. Just take a look at him. Stop, sit down please. So we are back now. I just let me make this video before going inside, because if I get inside they won't allow me. So guys, this is it. So I'm just experiencing it for the first time, and I said let me share it with you guys. So what's your thought? Let me get it in the comment section. Look at us. See the rain. It's raining. So we are trying to get inside the house now. Come, wait for me. Come inside the umbrella now. So it's sweet food. It's sweet food. Tell me now. Talk now. Let me see your face. Let me see. I'll give you Tarish on. Tarish, you share. You share.